Time is a cruel thief.
Decades of neglect etched into the metal. But beneath the rust, the heart of the machine is still here.
Every inch was a battle against time, against the elements, and against the sheer weight of the forgotten machine. Time has not been kind to this machine, but even in this state, it tells a story of what it once was and what it might become.
Look at that. The rings are completely gone, and the cylinder walls are totally shot. There's just no saving this one.
Now we clean. Vapor blasting. It restores aluminum to factory fresh without removing metal. Every component meticulously restored, coming together in a symphony of steel. This is where the true beauty of engineering lies.
It's not finished, but we need to know if it lives. We rig up a temporary fuel line.
In the heart of the engine, this small gap bridges the void, unleashing the power of the spark.
Come on, breathe. Breathe.
She wants to run, but she's making me work for it. Tomorrow we tune.
To restore this block, you first have to see the metal beneath the muck. It's a slow, messy process, but essential.
To build the future, we have to erase the past. Every spot of rust must die. Naked steel. Vulnerable, but clean. This is the blank canvas. A microscopic flaw hidden in the steel. If left undetected, this crack would prove catastrophic at high speed.
Fire and wire. We don't discard, we repair.
The frame is the bones. This is the heart. And right now, it's in cardiac arrest.
Pistons seized tight. Moisture got in 20 years ago and threw away the key.
Sometimes finesse doesn't work. You have to wake it up.
Yes. Finally. diagram is wrong. It has to be.
The key is a consistent overlap, ensuring the metallic particles lay perfectly flat for that deep gloss finish. Dents from 1985. Every bump tells a story I have to erase.
Sanding. Hours of it. Until your fingerprints are gone.
Primer. The great equalizer. Now we see the true shape. Click. That'll the sound of safety.
The heart returns to the body. We need to ensure the routing is precise here, keeping the main harness clear of the steering head. Use the ties sparingly but securely.
We have air. We have fuel. We have compression. We just need fire.
Months of bleeding knuckles come down to this one kick.
There it is. The voice I've been waiting to hear.
Every bolt is a promise. A promise that this time, it holds together.
Balance is everything. If the wheels aren't true, the journey isn't straight.
They called it rust. I called it potential. Now, it's a mirror.
40 years ago, this light cut through the dark. Tonight, it will again.
The centerpiece. 5 layers of paint, 3 layers of clear coat. Perfection.
Fuel on. Choke out. Ignition engaged.
Come on, old girl, wake up.
And then,
The heartbeat returns!
As the engine ticks and the light fades, you find a moment of perfect stillness above the world.